We are going to be trying all of the Bob's popcorns, and we're gonna see which one is the best.
Bob's
popcorn. So our first stop is Walmart. Hopefully it's our only stop because I have no idea how many different brands of popcorn they're gonna have. But we'll go to another store if they don't have enough. I think they will have enough because it's Walmart and they have a lot of stuff, but we're heading there now. Should we get a cart?
No.
Yes. Let's go. It's summertime. Gotta go to the popcorn section. Okay, so we're in the popcorn section. There's a lot of options, and so I think we're just gonna do, to compare them all equally, we're gonna get butter. We're not gonna get movie theater butter, we're just gonna get butter. Classic butter, so that it's equally comparable through all brands. So. What even is Tender White? I always go to the checkout with the cutest cashier. Okay, so we just got back from the store and we have a bunch of popcorn. We just got buttered popcorn flavor for everyone. We didn't get movie theater or like anything else. We just got classic butter. So they should be all the same, like to compare. We have Pop Secret, butter. Orville Redenbacher's butter. Act 2, butter. Jolly Time Healthy Pop 100, because it's like 100 calories, butter flavored. And we have Pop Weaver, butter flavored. Oh, and not to forget, Jiffy Pop, butter flavored. These are so much fun. I've only had it once, but.
It's really good.
Okay, so I'm gonna film popping the Jiffy Pop because for anyone who hasn't seen what Jiffy Pop is, you are in for a treat. It is so cool. You gotta shake it to make it pop. Yeah. It's popping! Yay! Done! Woohoo! Okay, so.
It smells really good in here, and we are going to test these popcorns now.
First one I'm gonna test is this one. I didn't put any salt on these or anything, it's just plain. This one's already kind of salty, like without any salt. And I usually put a lot of salt. It's pretty good. I wish I had a little bit less like kernels in it. But it's good. Okay. Now this one. This one's like much more yellow and buttery. So this one isn't very
Buttery.
or salty at all. It's just kind of
Plain.
the popcorn's okay. Okay, this one doesn't look very promising. It almost looks like kind of purple. I don't even know if you can see this. It's like weird. It's like burnt kind of. Yeah. Yeah. So this is just. Okay, so this one is actually pretty disgusting. And it's
Probably definitely going to be in last.
okay. This one looks promising. It literally has no flavor. No butter, no salt at all. It's not good. The quality of the popcorn's okay. It just doesn't taste like anything. Okay, so we have this one now. This one's good. It is almost like
Theme park popcorn?
texture-wise,
Oops.
it just isn't as buttery or as salty. So if you added a lot of butter and a lot of salt to this one, it would taste like it's from a theme park. So it's pretty good. But it needs
More flavor.
Okay, the last one. This one's pretty white. It doesn't have a lot of like butter on it. But it does taste like butter and it has some salt. So it's pretty good. Like, yeah. It's like
Really chewy.
I don't even know. I'm gonna have to like try them all again. Okay. I know this one's last. So I guess I'll start rearranging them. This one's last. Last will be over here. First will be over here. This one's the really chewy one that I just had. It's kind of towards the back. This one was like, yeah. This one's really soft. These two are tied right now. This is literally just like me eating. I got the order. So, let's start from the worst. The worst one was this one. It was, like,
Gross.
so this one is, I'm gonna spill popcorn everywhere. Jolly Time. Okay, so Jolly Time was the worst. Ugh, yeah, that's disgusting. Jolly Time was the worst. The second to last was Pop Secret. This one was okay. It's just like, yeah, this one's the one that's really chewy. It's just like weirdly chewy, and it doesn't have that much flavor. So this one was Pop Secret. Third to last was Orville Redenbacher. This was supposed to be like the gourmet one. It's okay.
Ah.
It's just nothing special. Then in third place, we have Jiffy Pop. Yeah. I like Jiffy Pop because it's fun. And it tastes good. This one's the most buttery of all of them. Second place is Pop Weaver. So Pop Weaver's in second place. First place, the heck? In first place, we have Act 2. Wow. Yeah, this one was my favorite. It's a good texture. It doesn't have a lot of kernels. It does need some salt and maybe even some butter, but out of all of these, I can add a little salt and make it good, you know? Like, the other ones, like, it was,
It's a texture issue.
this one's just good. So, Act 2 won the best box popcorn. It was the best overall. So, if you're looking for a good popcorn, this one's it. Wait, guys, what do you think is the best? Try them. Try them. See which one's the best.
I don't want to try that one. It's not that bad.
I mean, You know, I really thought they'd be very different and it'd be easy. And they just, it's popcorn. Yeah, but, Alright, so that was it for this first episode of Which is the Best Box. Blah.
Why can't I say box this whole day?
So that's it for the first episode of Sophie's Popcorn Show, Which is the Best Box popcorn. We figured out that they all taste kind of the same, but the best one to me is Top Secret.
Top secret. That is not correct.
The winner was actually Act 2. I don't know why I said Pop Secret. Not correct. So, that's all I have to say there. So, that's what we learned today. Anyways, bye.